Hi, my name's Doogan. I'm a full-time rocker and I can't stand loud noises.
I can still hear so good.
Okay. The reason I actually started playing drums and where my fear of loud noises began was when I was 3. I got stuck inside a kick drum of the drummer of Metallica and went on a full US tour for 3.5 months. I had to survive on wood chips from inside of the kick drum.
You gotta hit it.
I felt good about that. Was that good?
No, we didn't hear it. Okay, no.
That was a lot.
No, we can't keep covering your ears during live shows.
Can't watch my favorite Michael Bay movies. I have to have them on mute and just imagine what the sounds are.
Doogan's a fucking pussy. You can't just put on little ear muffs, shove some cotton in your ear, tape them up, I don't know. Just figure it out. Just go see a therapist or something.
I'm a rocker till the day I die. Just quietly.
Doogan can only play like 4% of the time, but when he does, it's euphoric. Our fans kind of just know the deal. We have a hologram of him on stage and he's really in the green room.
Please stop.
Why'd you whisper that?
That was my loudest. If I get too triggered by the sound of sound, I'm gonna lose my mind, I'll strip down and I will punch my groin.
Why that?
The drummer would use the kick drum and the kick pedal would slam me in the tip of my peni.
I fucking hate managing this guy, but he makes me so much fucking money. He does this thing where like he drums like just barely like 3 inches too far from the drum kit. So he misses, he doesn't hit the drums all the way, we have to scoot him up.
Today's not a good day for me. There was a bird outside 20 feet from my ear and it squawked and I'm already triggered today, so I need to do this.
I'm like ready to leave the band because he's obviously like the best drummer ever, but it's just frustrating he can't get over his little petty problem.
The second this drumstick hits the snare hard, my clothes are off and my dick is punched, okay? Do you want that to happen? About 4 months into tour, they had to actually change the skin of the drum, and so when they took it off, they found me with a ton of bedding I had created out of my own hair, and that's when they called my parents, and my parents were barely worried. When I'm making love to my girlfriend in the bedroom, any rhythmic movements, I will freak out.
Every time we try, he starts running away, and then when he runs away, his feet slamming on the ground makes him even more scared. It's too late to apologize.
What?
Goes on.
So I take it you're not the singer in these bands, are you?
No, my voice isn't great.
It's okay. Silent night, holy night. The little Doogan hack is to whisper Silent Night in his ear.
I'm not in the kick drum. I'm not in it, right?
He likes silent nights. Just in general. Silent. Hit the drum!
You know when you're with your guys and you just want to like rip a fart? I can't even fart in front of him. He pisses his pants like instantly. He's a fucking bitch.
I'm going to 7-Eleven. Do you need anything?
Cotton balls. Give me cotton balls.
Corn balls?
Cotton balls.
Cotton balls.
I put the cotton balls in there like this. I take 2 on each ear. I take the Q-tips to shove it in deep. The doctors advise against this, but I still do it. And I take this shirt like this. And then I usually don't even play and I just hold it like this.
I just want to punch him in the face sometimes. He's just such a little bitch, but I know that won't hurt as much as the sound of the drums in his ears, his earlobes. It's just that bad.
Stop.
You're supposed to come
Chad, can you turn down, just turn down a little bit? Just turn down a little bit, Chad. Just turn down a tiny bit more. Can you get quiet?
It's low. Fuck you, fuck this band! You fucking hear that? Fuck you, Doogan! You fucking hear that? Out of here. Fucking moron. Oh my god. Alright, peace out, Doogan.
Ride the lightning.
master puppets! Lars, I'm in here. Somebody's in here, Lars. I don't want to have to live on my own human hair. Don't put me in the kick drum. Don't put me in the kick drum. Somebody's in here.